Hello, beautiful. This is Jennifer Hadley, and our prayer for today is for finding heaven today, finding heaven right where we are. The kingdom of heaven is fully and fully installed, pre-installed, and we're activating it right here, right now. So grateful to allow ourselves to recognize the fullness of God's infinite kingdom, the wisdom, the intelligence, the beauty, and the magnificence already installed within us. We are grateful to open ourselves to the flow of all that wisdom and intelligence. The clarity is unfolding. We are receptive to guidance and inspiration, and so grateful to recognize that kingdom is within us. That is the thing for us to cherish. That is the thing for us to nurture and to value. So we're grateful to make a turn here in our consciousness and to truly pay attention to that which is valuable, that which is important. We're grateful to recognize that really, truly, our magnificence is aligned. It is within, and we have it already. So grateful to allow ourselves to truly recognize this simple truth and to let all the benefits of that recognition flow. So we're flowing with love, we're flowing with clarity, we're flowing with peace and harmony. So grateful to allow it to fully be made manifest. And so it is. Amen. 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 Yes. Yes. The kingdom of heaven is within. Yes. We're finding heaven where it is in our heart. Thank you for praying with me today. Thank you for being my prayer partner. Yes. And what's coming on? What's going on? What's coming up? Tomorrow, free forgiveness workshop. Yes. All the details at powerofloveministry.net. And then, Sundays with Spirit. And then Thursday is the kickoff for the Living A Course in Miracles free classes. And so these are some pretty wonderful things that are going on. All the details are at Living A Course in Miracles. May you have a beautiful and blessed and truly enjoyable day, choosing heaven, finding heaven right where you are. Mwah.